Hi everyone, it's me Tala and welcome to Tala TV. Come with me on our road trip to Baguio City. Hi guys, we're in the car right now and as you can see my brother is fast asleep. We made a stopover for breakfast at Tata King but we left because they didn't have rice. So we went to the Chowking drive-thru instead.
Breakfast po with ice cream medium, isang longganisa with ice.
I got myself chow fan fried rice with chicken. This is me and my brother enjoying our meals in the car. We then made a stopover at a convenience store to grab some toiletries and snacks. At 12 p.m., we then had lunch at the Carinderia. After some time driving, we then finally reached the Baguio Lionhead.
Hi guys, it's me Tala. We are officially in Baguio City. Dito kami sa hotel. Nandito ako sa banyo. And ayun, mag-check-in na kami guys.
We are now checking in at the hotel and walking towards our hotel room. So, back to the vlog, here's a mini tour of the bathroom. Over here we have the hair dryer, our toothbrushes, essentials provided by the hotel, a sink and 2 glasses, plus our makeup kits. This is the towel rack, the shower which is pretty spacious, and of course, the toilet. So we are now at Coated Cafe and they have loads of art and souvenirs which you can buy at a very affordable price. They have souvenirs with special Bible verses too. They also have sweet treats you can buy. This is my mom. She looks like she'd be my sister to be honest. And this is me showing off the menu. This is my brother Sinag. And my mom is now ordering our food. They also have a swing chair from the outside. This is the view. Our drinks just arrived. My mom ordered an ube cloud latte while I ordered a speculous latte. And this is our food. We ordered calamari fries and chili cheese fries.
Hi guys! I'm in the elevator, akit ako. Yung nanay ko nasa cafe pa din.
After a few hours later, we are back at the resto to have dinner with the family. This is Sinag enjoying his burger and fries while I'm having beef salpicao.
Mag-hi ka.
Hello guys! Itong ate ko makulit to.
Ako pa yung makulit dito.
Paano ka lang sa rap battle? Rap Eminem. I'm gonna fight Mike Tyson. I'm Mike Tyson.
Hi guys! We are back in our room. Kakatapos lang namin mag-dinner. Ngayon lalakad-lakad kami sa Session Road. Tapos yung kapatid ko, ay yung tatay ko, hinatid lang nila yung grandpa ko tsaka yung uncle ko. So, yeah, mag-aayos muna kami and after, we're gonna go. By the way, welcome to our room. Ngayon ko lang siya na-tour kasi may natutulog kanina which is yung tatay ko. Medyo magulo siya guys. Pero ito yung bedroom. Tapos may TV. And ito yung desk. And that's... Charis. Full body fit check na hindi ko nagawa kanina. So, yellow top from Shopee. White maxi skirt Shopee din. Tapos yung... Mamaya ka na nagpapakita. Yung sapatos, hinarap ko sa nanay ko. Wait lang. Ayan siya. Tapos meron siyang pearl, kinami. And we have my watch, which is Casio. Then, glasses are from Owndays. Tapos itong necklace, also from Shopee. Lagi akong bumibili sa Shopee kasi mura lang, tapos ang dami pang vouchers. Eh kasi pag pumupunta ka sa mall, tapos doon ka bumibili, parang mamahal ng mga presyo. Kaya, ayan, this is my fit for the day. Okay.
Hi, girl.
Naka-jacket na kami. Because it's cold now. And, hihintay na lang kami. We're at the hotel lobby. Oh nga, pinakita tayo. Alam mo na, saan tayo?
Napudot Titania. Anyamatsen. Is Detroit, nalami is Detroit. Detroit, New York, nalami is Nyatala. Ay.
Bye-bye!
Ingat kayo dyan na lang.
Okay. Sige, bye-bye. Ingat din kayo. Bye-bye.
So as you can see, we are now at Session Road and I'm getting my phone screen fixed because it's broken. So my mom is currently checking out the spa to see if it's open and they'll come back later.
Amin. Ginawaan ako dyan.
Uy, nakakagulat naman yun. Grabe.
So we now stop by the Korean Mart for snacks.
Sa Korean Mart kami ngayon. Bibili si Sinag ng snacks niya.
Ano ba? Video ng video.
So many snacks. Wow, you have money.
And just like that, we are now back at the hotel.
Hi guys! We are back sa hotel room. Iniwan kami dito ng mga magulang namin kasi magpapamasahe sila sa labas. So, ngayon, mag-aayos muna kami para makanood and stuff like that. Ayan, kami ng dalawa ni Sinag. Say hi.
Malakas ako!
Ano ba? Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan?
Double. Wait lang. Wait lang. May ginagawa ko. Parang yung nasa bahay natin. Diba?
Hindi talaga ganyan.
Wait lang kasi. Maniwala ka na lang. Tapos ito, itaas.
Oh my gosh, ang pangit.
Anong pake mo?
Bakit ganyan? Hindi talaga ganyan yan. Kaya ang ginagawa mo.
Uy, tama ginagawa ko.
Uy, ano to? Mukha na siyang onion. Legit. Ano ginagawa mo, pre?
Oo nga, the onion skin cortina.
The onion skin cortina.
ASMR seaweed. ASMR seaweed. Ay, ganito pala. Nako. Tatanggal ka dito eh. Ayan, oh. Diba?
Sobrang maulan ngayon, guys. Kaya hindi kami masyado nakalabas. Like, onti lang yung paglalakad namin sa session kasi sobrang maulan talaga. So, binalik na lang kami dito. Pero manonood kami ng Netflix. Tsaka mag-aayos na ako. Para. Hi guys! Nasa banyo na ako right now. Maghuhugas na ako ng mukha. Tsaka, tatanggal na ako ng makeup. Kasi syempre, pag matutulog na, kailangan natin tanggalin yung makeup para maiwasan ang acne breakouts. Sobrang acne prone ko pa naman. Kaya nagdala ko ng mga pimple patch. Pero as of now, medyo okay pa yung skin ko. Thank the Lord. Ay! So ayun, maghuhugas muna ako, matutoothbrush, and bibihis. Binigay ito sa akin ng mom ko. Binili niya. Natural Moisture Mask Pack. Mask Hydratant Natural. Snail. Okay. So, we're gonna open it and we're gonna put it on our face. Guys, so binigyan kami ng stick pang Netflix. Ito yung remote. Kaso, nahihirapan kaming magsaksak.
Bakit to?
Ito kasi yung remote, ati ko. Yung basahin mo nga yung instruction.
Press the source button of the TV.
Ito pala. Source. Yes, na nakasaksak.
Pero may plug ba to?
Charger lang yan eh.
Galit na ako, guys.
Press the source button of the TV remote control, then choose HDMI.
Ano yan?
Hala, puti ka!
Ano yan?
Ano mo ginagalaw? Ang mga nasira na natin yung TV, ah. Dito ka sa pagalitan tayo, magbalik natin sira na yung TV. Kaya naman pala.
TV ba kanyan?
Bakit ako yung lagot?
What
Ako yung nagsaksak, ganun mo eh. Tapos ganyan, naghahang bigla. Nangyari, friend? Ginawa mo! Wala, balik na lang papagalitan tayo. Baka nasira na natin yung TV. Wala yung aircon. Guys, update na pagana na namin. Tanga lang pala ako kasi hindi ko ginamit yung cable thing. Lobat pala, so sadyang di lang pala talaga ako nag-iisip. Ayun na. Ayun na, Sinag. Ayos ko na yung TV. Guys, it's finally working. Oh my gosh, manonood na kami ni Sinag. Let's go. Ito na. Amy. Hi guys, ito yung pinili namin. Well, pinili ko. I-watch namin ang Miss Granny. Ayan na, gumagana na siya. Let's go.
Yay! Nakatulog na si Sinag. I'm the only one awake now. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll be ending my vlog here. Please go to vlog number 2 for day 2 and day 3. Bye guys!